Hello everyone, we are here today at the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort to do a room tour of a traditional room with a resort view. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone to spread out.
Now, the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin resorts are a little bit tricky because they're not actually Disney resorts, even though they're here on Disney property. They're currently owned by Marriott, and there's a lot of differences between this and a regular Disney resort. Obviously, there's the Disney theming that's absent in these rooms, and you also have to pay attention to some of the perks like on-site transportation when you're booking your room. Just make sure you know exactly what you're going to be getting when you're staying here because it is different than the regular Disney-owned resorts.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first come into the room here, over on the right, we have a couple closets. In here is where you're going to find your ironing board and your iron. There's also a safe built into the wall here. Of course, you have the closet rod with some clothes hangers. You have an extra blanket and pillow up top, and you have a small luggage rack down there on the ground. Now moving into the room a little further, we have our coffee area, and you'll see we do have Starbucks coffee here, and they have some tea packets as well. You've got the small Mr. Coffee maker there. We also have some water and cups here and an ice bucket. And then up on the wall beside this mirror, we have a makeup mirror mounted to the wall. And then across from this is the bathroom area. You can see there's no door here on the bathroom, just an open doorway for this half. There's a single vanity in here with just a little bit of counter space. There is some storage down below the sink with the hairdryer there and some additional towels. Over on the wall, we also have some cups and some shampoo and conditioner there, just extras because they do have those in the tub as well. The mirror here does have lights all the way around it, and that is the only light here in this room, but it does a pretty good job lighting things up when you're in here in front of the mirror. The other half of the bathroom does, of course, have a door on it, and there is a full-length mirror on this side of the door. In here, you're going to find your toilet and your tub. The tub, of course, does have a shower head as well, but it is not a detachable shower head, just a single fixed shower head up there on the wall. And as I mentioned, they do have the shampoo, conditioner, and the soap here in the shower. Heading into the rest of the room, the first thing we have is the dresser here that has our TV and the lamp on there. The lamp has a single USB outlet built into the base as well as a wall outlet, so if you need to charge your devices, that's available there. The cabinet here on the right is where you'll find the mini fridge. It's a pretty small mini fridge, but it is kind of deep, so there's a little bit of storage space in there, a little bigger than some of the others we've seen, but there is no freezer section here in this mini fridge. Now the drawers over here are pretty good sized drawers. You have 4 of them. This drawer, if I pull it out, you can see good amount of space in there inside that drawer here on the dresser. Now the rooms here at the Dolphin have double beds, so we have 2 double beds in here, 2 full-size beds. They do not have queen beds in the rooms here at the Dolphin. And in between the 2 beds, we do have a nightstand. There's some storage down inside the nightstand there, a phone here on the top, as well as a clock. And then there is another single USB outlet built into the center of the lamp, as well as a couple more wall outlets built in there. Over on the far side of the room, we have a chair in this corner, and then we have the desk over here. The desk is on wheels, so you can roll it up next to the bed if you'd like, and there is another chair available there. There's a lamp there in the corner, and then our window here to give us a beautiful view of the resort because this is a resort view room. You can see we're over here on the far side of the Dolphin. So just over to the right, you can see the Swan right there across the water, and then directly ahead of us between the Swan and the other side of this building, you might have a view of fireworks at Epcot. It's kind of hard to say because I don't have any kind of visual marker between here and there, but I know that's the boardwalk, and there's a pretty good chance you could see at least some fireworks from here in the evening. And that's going to conclude our tour today of this traditional room with a resort view here at the Walt Disney World Dolphin.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever we post new room tours around the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.